Stop guessing which platform, GoHighLevel or ClickFunnels, is the ultimate powerhouse for your business, because in the next 90 seconds, we're diving deep to reveal the winner. First up, GoHighLevel. Think of it as your all-in-one business command center. Visualize every aspect of your business, from customer relationship management or CRM to email marketing and even complete website and funnel building, all housed under one roof. Now, let's shift gears to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels excels at one thing: building high-converting sales funnels. It streamlines the process with pre-designed templates, making it simple to create effective sales pathways for your products or services. The critical comparison: GoHighLevel boasts a built-in CRM, comprehensive email marketing tools, and full website building capabilities. ClickFunnels primarily focuses on funnel creation. GoHighLevel is a little pricier, but allows white labeling, meaning you can rebrand it as your own. Pricing matters. While ClickFunnels might seem cheaper initially, GoHighLevel's agency-centric model can be far more cost-effective, particularly if you're managing multiple client accounts. Consider those hidden costs and limitations. Let's talk real-world impact. Businesses are raving about GoHighLevel's ability to streamline operations and centralize their toolset. ClickFunnels users love how quickly they can launch new sales funnels, no tech skills required. The verdict: if you need a complete business solution with CRM, marketing, and website building, GoHighLevel is the clear winner. If your primary focus is rapid funnel creation and simplicity, ClickFunnels may be sufficient, but be aware of the limitations. Ultimately, the better platform hinges on your specific needs. Consider your long-term goals, your technical expertise, and your budget before making a decision. And there you have it, the battle between GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels decided.